Привет, my dear Gamines! In this lesson, we're going to discuss case. Those of you who have already come across this theme know that it's not the easiest one and it requires a lot of practice to master it. In this lesson, I will give you the system, how it works. You will learn what cases, how many cases are in the Russian language, what case forms are, and why we need case. In the following lessons, you will practice cases one by one, and soon you will be very good at it. But please don't be afraid of anything that you will see in this lesson. It's just introduction to this topic that is quite complicated, I should say. You don't need to learn anything after this lesson. You just need to understand the system, how it works. By the way, I have more interesting and useful videos for you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and you won't miss them. Let's start. Let's have a look at these three sentences. Number one. Дайте мне книгу. Give me a book or give me the book. Number two. У меня нет твоей книги. I don't have your book. Number three. Это книга. This is a book or it's a book. You probably notice that the word книга has three different endings in these sentences. Книгу, книги, книга. They are different forms of the word книга. These different endings are called cases or case forms. Case is a grammatical form of a word, which connects a word with other words in a sentence. Case and conjugation of verbs make the word order flexible in the Russian language. That means you can move words in a sentence without changing the meaning of the whole sentence. For example, дайте мне книгу, книгу дайте мне, мне дайте книгу. The meaning of these three sentences doesn't change. Only nouns, pronouns, adjectives, and number have case forms. There are 6 cases in the Russian language. They even have names. Let's get acquainted with them. Number 1. Именительный, nominative. Number 2. Родительный, genitive. Number 3. Дательный, dative. Number 4. Винительный, accusative. Number 5. Творительный, instrumental. And number 6, предложный, prepositional. It's high time to get acquainted with the endings of the cases. You have to remember that if a masculine or feminine singular noun ends a or ya, for example, крыса, a rat, or дядя, an uncle, then they have the following endings. Let's have a look at them. The word крыса has the letter a at the end. Nominative, крыса. Genitive, крысы. Dative, крысе. Accusative, крысу. Instrumental. Here 2 endings are possible. крысой, крысою. Prepositional, крысе. Now let's have a look at the second column. Here the word ends я. Nominative, дядя. Genitive, дяди. Dative, дяде. Accusative, дядю. Instrumental. Here there are also 2 possible endings. Дядей or дядею. Prepositional, дяди. As you see, to choose proper case forms of a word, you need to pay attention to the gender, number, and the ending of the dictionary form of this word. If it's a masculine singular noun, that has a consonant or soft sign at the end, or a neuter singular noun which ends or ye, for example, дом, a house, день, a day, зеркало, a mirror, or поле, a field. Then they have different case forms. Let's have a look at them. Please, don't be afraid of all these endings. We will practice case forms one by one, and you will learn in what situations you can use them. Right now, I'm giving you basic knowledge about case. Okay, let's go back to our words. The first word ends a consonant. Dom, a house. Nominative, dom. Genitive, дома. Dative, дому. Accusative, дом. Instrumental, домом. Prepositional, доме. Now let's have a look at the second column. This word ends the soft sign. День, a day. Nominative, день. Genitive, дня. Dative, дню. Accusative, день. Instrumental, днем. Prepositional, дне. Now let's have a look at the endings of neuter nouns that end o or ye. The first column, зеркало, a mirror. Nominative, зеркало. Genitive, зеркало. Dative, зеркалу. Accusative, зеркало. Instrumental, зеркалом. Prepositional, зеркале. The second column, поле, a field. Nominative, поле. Genitive, поля. Dative, полю. Accusative, поле. Instrumental, полем. Prepositional, поле. If we deal with a feminine singular noun that ends the soft sign, for example, соль, salt, it has the following endings. Let's have a look at them. Nominative, соль. Genitive, соли. Dative, соли. Accusative, соль. Instrumental, солью. Prepositional, соли. Exercise 1. Pause the video and put down proper endings of the following words. Check yourself. Nominative. Книга, стол, мышь. Genitive. Книги, стола, мыши. Dative. Книге, столу, мыши. Accusative. Книгу, стол, мышь. Instrumental. Книгой, столом, мышью. Prepositional. Книге, столе, мыши. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my new videos. Пока!